Okay, today in 1B we have started doing the parametric equation, sir. So we'll continue with the parametric. Now x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t, and y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t, right? Now we have to find derivative for this, sir. Dx by dt, a into cos t derivative plus we have to apply uv formula, sir. This is very important. T plus sin t derivative into t, right? So dx by dt is equal to a into cos t derivative minus sin t, t derivative 1 into sin t plus sin t derivative cos t into t. So I have applied uv formula. Dx by dt, a into minus sin t plus sin t will get cancelled, cos t into t, right? So we have seen cos t into t. Next one, dy by dt, y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Okay, so derivative a into sin t derivative minus t derivative into cos t, again minus because here minus sign is there, cos t derivative into t. So dy by dt is equal to a into sin t derivative cos t, t derivative is minus 1 minus cos t derivative minus t into t. So cos t will get cancelled, dy by dt is equal to these two will get cancelled, here also these two will get cancelled, here minus of minus plus a into sin t into t, right? Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt is this, sir, into t by a into cos t into t. So a will get cancelled, t will get cancelled, tan t. So separately derivatives. Okay, please note down this. Okay, next one. X is equal to 3at by 1 plus t cube, 1 cube. Okay, now dx by dt, I have to apply u by v formula, sir. This formula I have to apply. Okay, so 3at derivative into 1 plus t cube minus 1 plus t cube derivative into 3at by 1 plus t cube whole square. Here 3at derivative means 3a. Why? 3a will not have any derivative, t derivative is 1. 1 plus t cube minus 1 derivative 0, t cube derivative 3t square into 3at by 1 plus t cube whole square. Open the bracket, 3at cube, open the bracket, minus 9at cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. So this becomes minus 6at cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. So what I have done? Sir, here one mistake is there. 3a. So open the bracket, 3a plus 3at cube. Here there is a 0. So this becomes 3a minus 680 cube. This is dx by dt. Now y is equal to what, sir? 380 square by 1 plus t cube. Again dy by dt whole cube. This is again derivative minus 380 square. 3a into t square derivative 2t plus 1 plus t cube 0 plus 3t square whole square by, again derivative we are finding, sir. So 3a into t square derivative 2t into 1 plus, now open the bracket, 680. 3a into 2t is 680 into 1 plus 6a t power 4, right, minus, here 0 is there, 980 power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. This will be equivalent to 680. 680 power 4 means minus 380 power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. So we got dy by dt and dx by dt. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this becomes 680 minus 380 power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square divided by 3a minus 680 cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. These two will get cancelled. Take 380 common. I am taking 380 common. So what will happen? 2, because I have taken 380, 2 minus 380 I have taken t cube by, in the denominator 3a, 1 minus t cube. So 3a will get cancelled, t into 2 minus t cube by 1 minus t cube. There is no other cancellation, leave the answer here. So u by v, u by v. Sometimes he can give you for 7 marks, sir. Okay, please note on this. Now, we are discussing some models here. What is the model here? Find dy by dx for x square plus y square is equal to a square. So here x square derivative is 2x, y square derivative 2y. Whenever I say y derivative, I have to multiply by dy by dx is equal to 0. So I found out y square derivative 2y, but y derivative, so I have to write dy by dx. So 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x, so dy by dx. Okay, means wherever I am finding y derivative, I have to multiply by dy by dx. For example, xy is equal to c square. Again I have to apply UV formula, x derivative into y plus y derivative into x is equal to c square derivative. X derivative 1, so 1 into y. What is the y derivative? 1, but I have to write dy by dx. Once I say y derivative, immediately I have to find y derivative into dy by dx. Okay, again y plus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y dy by dx. Okay, one more example. What is the one more example? X square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to a square. So x square derivative into y square derivative minus UV formula, x derivative into y, y derivative into x is equal to a square derivative. X square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx minus 2 into x derivative 1 into y. Y derivative is what, sir? 1 into dy by dx into x. So 2x into plus 2y into dy by dx, open the bracket, minus 2y minus 2x dy by dx. Bring the term this side, minus 2x will become plus 2x, 2y will become minus 2y. So 2 everywhere will get cancelled, x minus 5 is equal to x minus y into dy by cancel. All that we get dy by dx is equal to 1. Means what? It is called implicit function. Means what? Y in terms of x. So whenever you are finding y derivative, you have to find y derivative into dy by dx. Okay, right? There are this type of models are very important. Okay, let us see next model. Next model, very important model. 7 marks question, sir. So once we know this model, then we can discuss so many varieties of problems. Y is equal to x power x. Okay, you have to find dy by dx for this. Apply logarithm. Means what? Log y is equal to log of x power x. So it is because log y is equal to x log x. Right? Now what is the derivative? We have to write one statement. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the log y derivative? 1 by y. Because log x derivative is 1 by x. So log y derivative 1 by y. Once I say y derivative, I will write dy by dx. And apply UV formula. X derivative into log x plus log x derivative into x. So what I have done? Log y derivative 1 by y. I told you just now. Once we say y derivative, we have to write dy by dx. So 1 by y into dy by dx, x derivative is 1 into log x plus log x derivative 1 by x into x. Put a bracket. So 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, so 1 log x, so log x plus x and x will get cancelled 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y into log x plus 1. What is the y, sir? Already we got x power x into log x plus 1. So here y is equal to x power x. We have to apply logarithm. We cannot use x power n, sir. N is a number. It should be number. It should not be function. Sir, you can say, sir, we are x power x is there. Can we write n in x into x power x minus 1? No, sir. N should be number. It cannot be function. Here it is a function, sir. Okay. Next problem, if you see, then you will understand clearly. So x power x cannot be applied this formula. We cannot apply this formula because n should be number. Okay. Please note down. Okay. Now one more problem. Look at here. Understand this problem. Y is equal to sin x to the power of cos x. Again, apply logarithm. This model is very, very important, sir. So log y is equal to log of sin x to the power of cos x. Log y is equal to cos x into log of sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is log y derivative? 1 by y into dy by dx. You have to apply UV formula. Observe here what we are doing. Cos x plus log sin x derivative into cos x. So 1 by y into dy by dx, cos x derivative minus sin x log of sin x. Now observe here, what is log sin x derivative? 1 by sin x into chain rule we have to apply, sir. d by dx of sin x into already cos x is there. What I have done? First we have to find what is the log sin x derivative? 1 by sin x, again chain rule, d by dx of sin x. So 1 by y into dy by dx minus sin x into log of sin x plus 1 by sin x derivative cos x into cos x. Cos x is coming because already it is there in the problem. So dy by dx is equal to y into minus sin x into log of sin x. Cos x by sin x is cot x into cos x. One is cot x, other one is cos x, sir. Right? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, what is the y? Sin x to the power of cos x. Then this becomes minus sin x log of sin x plus cot x into cos x. That's why we are not applying x power n, sir, here, because we cannot apply. One is a sin x function, means x power n means n should be always number. It cannot be one more function. So what is the answer? Sin x. So this type of problems are very, very important. Today we have seen some most important questions. We will be seeing in the next video most important question. From next video onwards, whatever problems we are discussing, they may come for 7 marks. Okay, please note down this carefully.